A lot of people fear about, whether they have to demolish something, they have to break walls in their house.
Anybody who wants to get Vastu done, alignment, right, of their space, chahe office hai ya ghar hai, they have to come and speak to the Vastu consultant.
Yeah.
About the issues and the problems that they're facing. If you have a problem, please get it done. If your life is just running smooth, everything is good for you, money, health, relationship, everything's working fine, no need to touch anything. And these results are very powerful and they do come.
I look at it from an angle where maybe I want to improve my current reality. Suppose if I'm making X amount of money and I want to go to Y, will Vastu help in this regard, making some
100%.
shifts? Yes.
100%. देखो, आपकी लाइफ में फॉर अ नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग या रिलेशनशिप काम नहीं कर रहा होगा या हेल्थ काम नहीं कर रही होगी या आपकी एक मनी रियलिटी काम नहीं कर रही होगी.
How a misaligned Vastu house, or where the principles of Vastu are not in full alignment, impact relationships at home. It could be a husband-wife relationship.
There was this couple who went through divorce, and the entire northeast was painted red. The southwest, where there should be no green color, the whole room was green. Eventually the husband left, abuse was there, and divorce happened.
Welcome to the Quantum Show, where we explore the mysteries of universe and the depths of human consciousness. I'm super excited for this episode of the Quantum Show with Vastu Acharya and life coach Madhu Tanvi on the Quantum Show.
Thank you, Carmen, for having me here, and it's a pleasure to be here. Thank you so much. And as far as my journey is concerned, it's all about energy, right? So I've been into healing, coaching, and Vastu, and it came one by one in my life, very organically.
Of course.
And I would say it's all about energy, right? Whether it's energy of a person, a space, or situation. So energy life coaching में भी energy, वास्तु में भी energy, आप में भी है, मुझ में भी है, सब में है, right? So जब हम energy की बात करते हैं ना, तो उसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि हम दो modalities मिला रहे हैं. It's about aligning an energy of a person as well as the space around, whether it's working or living, both.
Right.
I started, I think, walking on this journey about 15 years back.
Right.
Where my own life was in a deep mess. And I walked the path of healing because I was in a lot of pain. Once I walked the path of healing, I realized that, something in you shifts. The moment you take your responsibility and you start working on your inner world, things shift. And you start attracting more and more of such things which align your energies, right? After that came life coaching, and I would take about 2 minutes to talk on life coaching. I did it years back, and I just landed, maybe the universe wanted me to land it in Dr. Ramon Lamba's office one fine day. And that's where I enrolled myself for life coaching. And I thought, उस time तक मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि my pain, my issues, my patterns, my anger, everything was triggering from outside.
Right.
I never realized that everything is inside me. So the 18-month journey with Ramon Lamba, I think, shifted my life 360 degrees. That one journey taught me how to go within, how to connect with your own soul, how to deeply work on your patterns, on your beliefs, shift them, align them beautifully, become a magnet to beautiful things in world. Be it relationships, be it health, or be it money reality for that.
Thank you. Thank you for saying that. No, I'm sure, and I can see that in your work about how dedicated and passionate you are, to change people's lives and to share your knowledge almost very selflessly. So, yes, a lot of people fear about, whether they have to demolish something, they have to break walls in their house. There are ways you can work around with Vastu, making your house Vastu auspicious without a lot of, breaking down in your current space. So I want to ask you, how does Vastu really work in a house that is already constructed? It's easier when someone contacts you and says, I am building up a new house. Everything can be done tailor-made at that point. But what happens when a house is already constructed and you want to make it Vastu auspicious? How does that work?
See, first of all, I would say, anybody who wants to get Vastu done, alignment, right, of their space, चाहे office है या घर है, they have to come and speak to the Vastu consultant.
Yeah.
About the issues and the problems that they're facing. If you have a problem, please get it done. If your life is just running smooth, everything is good for you, money, health, relationship, everything's working fine, no need to touch anything. But if you feel there is an area which is not working in your life very smoothly, then yes, Vastu can be the answer. And of course, once we get into the Vastu, देखो तोड़ना तो होता नहीं कुछ. आपने मैप लेना है उस घर का, मैप पे पूरा काम करना है. मैप के बाद जितने एलिमेंट्स हैं उनको अलाइन करना है. चाहे आप कलर से करो, चाहे आप किसी एलिमेंट से करो, चाहे आप किसी और तरीके से करो, बट आपको रेमेडियल वास्तु के थ्रू यू गिव रिजल्ट्स.
Okay.
एंड दिस रिजल्ट्स आर वेरी पावरफुल एंड दे डू कम.
Okay.
ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ कि आपने कहीं वास्तु किया किसी के इशू के लिए और उसको इसमें कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं पड़ा.
So just to add to this question, like you said, if everything is going smoothly, तो उसको ऐसे ही चलने दो, वहाँ वास्तु की इतनी ज़रूरत नहीं है. But I look at it from an angle where maybe I want to improve my current reality. Suppose if I'm making X amount of money and I want to go to Y, will Vastu help in this regard, making some
100%.
shifts? Yes.
100%. देखो, आपकी लाइफ में फॉर अ नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बीइंग या रिलेशनशिप काम नहीं कर रहा होगा या हेल्थ काम नहीं कर रही होगी या आपकी एक मनी रियलिटी काम नहीं कर रही होगी. मनी रियलिटी, सो लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. So I've done Vastu starting from like a 1-bedroom house to a bungalow to a huge villa, and anywhere that I go, anywhere that I speak to the owner and I kind of ask, because 1 hour I spent talking to them, what are the issues and all. एक चीज सब में बिल्कुल कॉमन और सेम है. We want more money.
Yeah.
Money is never enough. We want more money. चाहे आप बिल्कुल ही एक 1-bedroom वाले हो या एक विला वाले हो, बट पैसा चाहिए, राइट? आप उसमें वास्तु हेल्प करेगा, हाँ बिल्कुल करेगा. बट उस मनी में वी हैव टू सी व्हाट एंड वेयर इज द प्रॉब्लम.
Right.
You're not getting clients, you're not getting new opportunities. People come but they do not pay up. They pay up but आपके पास पैसे नहीं.
Sometimes you're not
रहते.
able to save.
Save नहीं करते.
There's
Absolutely.
leakage of the money.
So you have to get into the nitty-gritty of the problem and then work on that. And of course, when I enter anyone's house and I speak to the family, so family में क्या होता है, like normally the husband, wife, children, sometimes parents also, old parents, not well,
Right.
going through some issue or the other. Somebody would have a health issue, somebody may have a money issue, and maybe children will have an issue that, concentrate नहीं कर पा रहे या, उनकी memory में, retain नहीं होता what they're studying. So once you know the issues and we do the entire work, the gridding on the map, and I exactly know what to do where, and that's how we do it, right? And there have been beautiful results.
I would love if you could share some real life experiences.
So
where-
I've had many. I've been doing Vastu for so many years now. I would tell you a couple of them that I actually, kind of amazes me myself. So I did a Vastu in Delhi for someone, and उनका ना बिल्कुल घर 3-storied market के बीच में था.
Okay.
This was before COVID. And उनका घर MCD ने ग्राउंड फ्लोर सील कर दिया. because of some market issue or
Right.
you know, unauthorized whatever. They were fighting a case for the, I think COVID se 3 saal pehle se, right? So it was sealed. They wanted to sell that house and buy a bigger house, move from that area. They could not do it. They wanted to give their first floor on rent. Nobody took it because obviously नीचे seal था, ताले लगे हुए थे, chains लगी हुई थी, and market में सबको पता था. So nobody could, you know, even come to them as a client for rent or buying the house. They were stuck,
Right.
badly stuck. That's the time they connected with me and I went and did their vastu. तो उनके काफ़ी issues थे घर में. उनके water tanks में issue था, the placement, lift थी, you know, which was not at the right place, and many other issues, right? And so a lot was done in that house, and of course, see, when you're doing someone's vastu, you also have to tell that person that think only positive now.
Right.
Things are going to come to you.
And you do it from a
Align
life
yourself.
coach perspective as well.
I
you
mix
know?
both, right?
Yes.
So I do the energy work as well. Whenever I'm going and, you know, doing vastu, it's just not mechanical vastu that I do.
Yeah.
I do sit with them and speak to them on energy. Like, you know, anything that you're thinking will come true, right? But all the time if you're thinking only negative, only that's what you're manifesting, right?
Yeah.
Apart from that, so once the vastu was done, I think within 30 days, they got a letter from MCD कि हम आपका ये खोल रहे हैं, we are opening it for you,
Wow.
and your case is over, and you're free now.
That's magical.
And in the next 1.5 months, they sold the house.
Yeah.
Not just rented, I mean, they just sold
Sold
the
it
entire house. They took a brand new house in Noida. And that's where I went next for their vastu there. And this really amazed me,
Yeah.
this one thing. Then recently I went to someone's house, one more, I'll tell you. So the person at home, the owner, went through a brain stroke
Okay.
last year. Now, obviously, medical help जितनी थी, जो होनी थी, medicines हैं, everything is being taken care of. But he kept saying, I think, you know, a lot of negative thoughts come because of health, because of, you know, my own business or whatever. So when I was doing their vastu after that, I realized that when I walked into their northeast was just clutter, full of clutter. पूरे घर का क्लटर वहीं था इकट्ठा, you know, थैलों में, बोरियों में, मिट्टियों में, and उनका एक मंदिर भी अंदर नॉर्थ ईस्ट में प्लेस्ड था. लेकिन मंदिर में भी, you know, we always say कि आप किसी भी आइडल को बिठा रहे हो वहाँ पे, तो not more than one. So there were like 4 Ganeshas, 3 Krishnas,
Okay.
you know, every possible deity in the mandir. So
Very confused energies. Like
very
mixed up
confused, and it's
energies.
too much, you
Yeah.
know, and all that was cleared, and lot more whatever issues they had. So that also, because you get, आप ना relate कर लेते हो कि अगर ये problem है तो कहीं से तो आ रही है. ठीक है, आपके planets ऊपर नीचे हो सकते हैं, they are maybe not aligned with you at the time, but if the house is aligned with you, will support you.
Right.
हम जिंदगी में क्या ढूंढते हैं और क्या चाहते हैं? I work on one word, and that's called sukoon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
हर
That's
area में, you know, whether
every
it's
area.
health, wealth,
See,
relationships.
सुकून ही एक वो चीज है जिससे सारी ब्रांचेस निकलती हैं. अगर आपके पास पैसा है और सुकून नहीं है, आप क्या करोगे?
You're always
आपके
restless.
पास हेल्थ नहीं है और सुकून नहीं है, सुकून
Again,
है तो आप क्या कर लोगे? So it's this one word works magically in your life. If you attain sukoon, you have everything in life,
Right.
right? So sukoon is something that you need to work upon. आप जहाँ पे भी हो, आप जितना भी आगे बढ़ना चाहते हो, I always say, first have gratitude for where you are, what you are,
Yes.
where you're placed today, and then move forward. Then move forward. Anything that comes to you, have the energy of that sukoon within you, that you do not start reacting. First thing, sit, think, respond.
Yeah.
Right?
Rest.
So
of
that's how I
course.
merge both. And gratitude is something that I see missing in lot of people. Lots. We all talk about gratitude, शुक्राना, बोलना चाहिए, देना चाहिए, feel करना चाहिए. But still, we are
Somehow.
more of cribbers than being in gratitude.
Right, right. So I just want to touch a little bit on relationships here. How a misaligned Vastu house, or where the principles of Vastu are not in full alignment, impact relationships at home. It could be a husband-wife relationship, or kids. Kids are sometimes over anxious. They don't have a good relationship with the parents or grandparents. Does this have something to do with Vastu?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
So I'll give you an example again. So there was this couple who went through divorce, and the entire northeast was painted red. The southwest, where there should be no green color, the whole room was green. Eventually the husband left, abuse was there, and divorce happened. Had they known little bit of Vastu, or consulted someone, things could have been otherwise. But
Right.
that's how it is. So when we talk of relationships, of course, आप जो हो, आपका जो relationship है, आप पे matter करता है. लेकिन आपकी thinking उस relationship के लिए shift हो सकती है या नहीं, that Vastu can do for you. So,
I have a sort of debate, sort of a question here, where how much weightage should we really give to purely Vastu in this scenario? I mean, there could be other things that are not working in the relationship, like compatibility or, XYZ. So, how much weightage do we really give कि वास्तु alignment नहीं थी तो इसीलिए ऐसा हुआ, कि वास्तु नहीं था तो इसीलिए divorce हुआ. So, how would you explain that
I
to
would
a
not
client?
say Vastu पूरा ठीक नहीं था तो इसलिए divorce हुआ. Of course, it's their own
There are
vibration
other-
as well.
Yes.
So they both merge together. But can we make it better? Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that's
Right?
the thing. Right.
अगर see in life what do you need? You need support.
Yes.
सबसे पहले हम क्या बोलते हैं, हमें सपोर्ट चाहिए. किसका सपोर्ट चाहिए? बाहर वालों का सपोर्ट चाहिए, फैमिली का सपोर्ट
Yes.
चाहिए, बच्चों का सपोर्ट चाहिए, पेरेंट्स का सपोर्ट चाहिए. Do we ever get up and say, I can support myself? I am enough. Or I need my house to support me. Why not? The house can be the biggest thing in your life that can
Right.
support you.
And
You're
does that
absolutely
also-
spending, 1/3 of your life in your house.
Yes.
You're sleeping, eating. When you're out there, just imagine yourself out there and you don't have a house to go back to.
Yeah.
What kind of feeling? You feel abandoned, right?
Of course.
House is something that you belong to, and vice versa. So, if we align the energies of the house, of course, it helps you in your life.
Here I want to say, yes, house is so important for it's a basic survival need for almost everyone here. And some people I've seen, when they go back home, they don't feel at home. They feel restless. They want to find reasons to move out of the house. What could be the reasons for this? And again, is there something that Vastu can help here?
Of course, it is 100%
The vibe
Vastu
of the
here.
house.
It is 100% Vastu.
Yeah.
So it's जैसे आप जिंदगी में आप अच्छा फील कर रहे हो, आप बहुत पॉजिटिव हो, you feel you can just do anything with yourself and you're happy about it, you're calm, you just do good. But the minute you enter your office, your workspace or your house, वो जो energy है ना वो dim down होनी
Yeah,
चाहिए.
pulls you down.
It dips
Something-
you.
Yes.
Right? You start going low without anything happening around you or in you. And you wonder what's happening to me? Why am I dipping down? मैं सुबह तो इतनी अच्छी थी, अब क्या हुआ रात को घर आते ही?
Right.
I was outside the house, I had such a great day.
Right.
But the minute I step in back to the house, कुछ गड़बड़ है.
Exactly
अब
what
वो
I
जो
wanted to
कुछ
ask.
गड़बड़ है is the house. The
So
energy of
what
the house.
to do now in this case? Suppose it's me. I go back home. I feel a dip in my energy. It could be immediately me wanting to leave the house for a drive or distracting myself. So what can, I in such a scenario come back to a place back home where I still feel very divine, sacred, and wanting to enjoy my space at home.
So you want to change the energy of the house.
Okay.
So when we talk on energy and vastu, थोड़ा सा अलग
Yes,
बताऊंगी मैं.
of course.
So when we talk about vastu, you need to obviously have an expert coming to your place and telling you what area in your house or what direction is right, wrong, can be improved with colors, with elements, because every element around you will have an impact on you.
So there is no generic advice that you could give here to
Yes,
lift
for
up?
energy I will. देखो कलर्स की जब हम बात करते हैं हर डायरेक्शन का एक कलर है, ठीक है. जब हम एलिमेंट्स की बात करते हैं तो आप क्या चाहते हो लाइफ में उस तरह के एलिमेंट्स अपने अराउंड रखो सो दैट यू ड्राइव दैट एनर्जी आउट ऑफ दैट एलिमेंट, राइट. नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट एनर्जी शिफ्टिंग में सबसे पहले, बिकॉज you have people coming over to your house, you don't know who's carrying what, negative, positive, whatever it is. So some rules that one should mandatory follow for the energy shift is never ever allow anyone with shoes or slippers coming inside your house.
Okay.
Because that's one negative energy you are inviting in your house. How many times you don't know, because everyone who's walking into your house will come with a slipper or a shoe.
Yeah.
So please, request everyone to take these slippers outside the house. Second, you must burn kapoor at home, right? Under a tea light.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, we do that.
So that should burn in your house and keep it in the center of the house so that the entire fragrance goes around.
All over the house. Yeah.
All around.
And if someone has a duplex, or so they should keep it one on the lower level.
See, one is also enough because if you keep it in the center of the house, obviously the fragrance goes around.
Okay.
But if you have a very big villa, of course you can do it. Or probably, if supposedly, आप अपने bedroom में जाते हो, वहाँ आप बहुत dense feel कर रहे हो. So probably just take the kapoor there and burn there for some time.
Yeah.
And time to time, every week, probably take sage, burn sage and go around.
Clear the energies.
You got to hold the sage and burn it and take it around the house. You got to walk. You can't just keep it in the center.
Okay.
And if you want more, so you can also have some diffuser oils burning, like rose or lavender, something that soothes you, something that calms you.
Right.
And if you feel very negative, have one or two, cinnamon stick in the kapoor.
Okay.
To burn. That also makes
Uplifts
the difference
the
in
energy.
the
Okay.
And rest, of course, with vastu, of course, I will talk on colors and the elements and what is kept where and how. Lekin is सबसे पहले one thing that I forgot to share. Number one rule of vastu in your life is declutter.
Declutter? Yes.
Whether it's your house, whether it's your office, whether it's your balcony, I would say, whether anywhere that you are residing in, please declutter. चाहे वो आपकी फिर घर में किचन क्यों ना हो, स्टोर क्यों ना हो, मतलब आपका स्टोर भी ऐसे चमकना चाहिए जैसे ड्राइंग रूम. आपके वॉशरूम्स इतने क्लीन होने चाहिए कि जैसे आप अपने बेडरूम और ड्राइंग रूम को आप रखते हो. Absolutely declutter. And what you've not used for the past, 2 साल तक कुछ use नहीं
You'd
किया.
probably not use
like
it.
women have this habit, I know. They'll keep on keeping बर्तन्स in their kitchen. बर्तन इतने पुराने बर्तन जो यूज भी नहीं हो रहे, बस पीछे कहीं पड़े हैं कि कभी काम आ जाएंगे. कपड़े जो आज से आप 10 साल पहले पहनते थे, कभी काम आ जाएंगे.
I know that, yes.
I will lose weight and wear those clothes. So they have almiras 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're not even touched.
Yeah.
It's
But tell me
stagnant
one
energy.
thing, someone who has a cluttered home, hasn't decluttered for a while, what could be the negative impact? What can they see? What will
They'll
show
have
up?
So decluttered mind, they'll obviously have clutter in their mind.
Okay.
Clutter in the house, clutter in the mind. Especially if it's northeast, then you've had it.
Okay.
इट्स लाइक रियल क्लटर. आप कहोगे मेरे को नेगेटिव सोचना नहीं है, बट थॉट्स आ रहे हैं, थॉट्स आ रहे हैं, आप कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा रहे हो. सो अगर आप लाइफ कोचिंग भी मर्ज करते हैं, हम लाइफ कोचिंग में क्या करते हैं, हम कोचिंग में ये कहते हैं ना,
Yes.
affirm positive, think positive, affirm, keep saying, keep repeating. लेकिन अगर आपके नॉर्थ ईस्ट में क्लटर है, आप 500 बार कर लो रिपीट,
It's not going to make an impact. Yeah.
they won't make an impact. ये affirmations won't work. वो आपको declutter करना ही पड़ेगा.
That makes sense.
And I would say just not north east इसलिए क्योंकि obviously आपके सर का हिस्सा है वो, so obviously thoughts.
Right.
And अगर घर में आपके क्लटर है, आप अपने आप को खुद इमेजिन करो कि where does divinity come into you? How do you feel it? When do you feel it? When it's divine around, soft music, nice fragrance,
Ambience.
happiness around, good ambience, no screaming, no shouting, everything on its place, no mitti anywhere. You know? या फिर आप अलमारी खोलते हो और सब आप पे गिरता है. That's divinity, right? On a lighter note.
No.
So one must declutter for sure.
No, absolutely. Just one question here I had that, how quickly can people see changes after they've done the Vastu alignment, that whatever you suggest them? उसके कितना time बाद they can see their lives balancing back, things falling back in place, everything works almost seamlessly?
So it's not the same for everyone, of course, depending. आप वास्तु करने में भी कितना टाइम लगाते हो? There have been clients. So the minute I leave the house, उनका पूरा घर ऊपर नीचे होता है.
Yeah.
They start working on it. And there are people like I would say 1 महीने, 2 महीने, 3 महीने भी लगा देते हैं. Slowly चल रहे हैं, कर रहे हैं. So it also depends on your energy, right? How serious are you there to create a difference in your own life?
Right.
How much responsibility do you take to make a difference in your life? Now, for example, if you go to a doctor, so you consult a doctor, you pay the fee, you speak to him. Do you get fined by it? अगर आपकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, डॉक्टर से बात करके तबीयत ठीक हो जाएगी, डिफरेंस आ जाएगा.
You got to go home and take the
You got to
remedy.
go home, take a prescription, what is given you, take those medicines, have those medicines and just sleep. Sleep over it, 1 day, 2 day, 3, 4, 5 दिन में आपको डिफरेंस आता है. So डॉक्टर से मिलके, वैसे एक वास्तु कंसल्टेंट से मिलके आप ठीक नहीं होगे.
Yeah.
आप ठीक तभी होगे कि जो उन्होंने बोला है A to Z आप कर लो. And there have been magical results, I would say, within 24 hours also. And max, we would say about 40 days.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
be anything.
that is very decent and good enough.
It comes before that only, but majorly are 40 days that they collect.
Okay, great. Last but not the least, I want to ask you simple rituals that our viewers can take away to balance energies, to uplift their mood as per Vastu. What can they do? Like simple tips and tricks that you would give as per your experience.
So I've already told you the energy part, what you
Right.
can do there. I would say if we talk on the energy level, one more strong remedy that I'm going to give you here. Sometimes when you begin, कि हमें घर declutter करना है, घर की energy बदलनी है, and you feel a lot of heaviness, dense energy there already. What you need to do is, you're going to take, आप 7 candles लोगे black color की,
Okay.
ठीक है, into 7 days, so 49 candles.
Okay.
You will start doing this on a Tuesday or a Saturday. And this is to remove the stagnant energy, the blocked energy.
Right.
I would also say nazar, because nazar is a very big, ongoing thing.
Do you believe in Nazar?
Yes, I do, but I also believe in, nazar कुछ नहीं, आपके aura पे stepping है. So आप अपने aura को जितना strong करते हो, आपको नजर नहीं लगेगी.
Right.
There
And
are
how
people
to-
who are so famous, कभी कुछ नहीं होता. And there are people at home जो इतने हैं भी नहीं, but वो ये कहते हैं हमारी तबीयत खराब होगी, नजर लग गई. It is nothing but it is your own aura. You got to take responsibility for it, strengthen your aura, and it works.
How do you say we could strengthen our aura? Of course, it's not a.
So when we talk on
quick
aura,
fix.
meditations
Yeah.
help, right? Our inner work helps,
Yeah.
right? Working on our patterns, decluttering our own mind, own self, own heart, own emotions, emotions that do not serve us, releasing our trauma, releasing our patterns or the beliefs that don't work for us,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
All that works. And वास्तु of course, वो पीछे से आपकी पूरी सपोर्ट में रहता है. जब घर अलाइंड है तो आप ये इजीली कर लोगे.
Right. Right. So they're all interlinked. You
They
would
are
say
interlinked.
they're all interlinked.
I truly feel both these sciences are interlinked.
Right.
दोनों में बात एक ही करते हैं. लाइफ कोचिंग में आपके लिए बात करते हैं, वास्तु में घर के लिए करते हैं. आप हो तो घर है ना? आप you are in your body stays where? In the house.
The house. Yes.
So why can't we align ourselves and the house both? Why not? It's
Right.
possible. So coming back to the candle ritual.
Yes.
7 candles. Burn it on a Tuesday or a Saturday in the evening. And when it's outside the house, the main gate, sit there with 7 candles on a steel plate. Should be a new plate. Put an intent into the candle. Just say that whatever is in my house which is negative, not ready to leave, something that's been bothering us, किसी की नज़र है, किसी की नेगेटिव वाइब है, हम में से किसी की नेगेटिव वाइब है, हम में से किसी की स्टकनेस है, कोई बीमारी है घर में. I want all that to be released through these 7 candles, absorbing it. And you need to burn those candles. Pray for 2, 3, 4 minutes. Burn them. वो धीरे धीरे वैक्स इकट्ठा हो जाएगा उस प्लेट में. आपने वो वैक्स जो है घर के अंदर नहीं लाना, घर के बाहर फेंकना है. तो probably next day morning, get up, take out the wax and throw it outside the house.
It can keep lighting all night or whenever.
It can. Normally it takes about 2.5, 3 hours for a candle to burn, but it has to be black candle. And you need to do this ritual for 7 days continuously.
Right.
So when you begin on a Tuesday, so till Monday, and when you begin on a Saturday, then it's till Friday.
Okay.
7 days. And by chance, if you miss a day in between, you got to repeat the cycle. No breaks in between.
Of course.
Right? Then let's talk on elements. So I would say on elements, animals also play a very beautiful role. So if somebody needs stability, wisdom, I would say keep elephants at
So
the
when
entrance.
you say keep elephant, it could be like just an idol or even a picture could work.
I would say, पूरा एक मिट्टी का या marble का,
Right.
take that, not picture.
And is it kept in pairs normally?
Should keep in pairs.
Yeah.
Should keep in pairs.
So
So
that's
keep
for
that at the
stability,
entrance
strength.
or the southwest
Okay.
for stability. When we talk about a lion, lion has to be kept carefully.
Okay.
It's all about authority,
Right.
dominance. Should be kept in south.
Okay.
Right? When we talk about a leopard is all about speed. चाहे वो आपके बिजनेस की स्पीड हो या आपकी लाइफ में कुछ मूवमेंट नहीं है, आप कुछ करना चाह रहे हो, कुछ नया करना चाह रहे हो या जो कर रहे हो उसकी स्पीड बढ़ाना चाह रहे हो. So that should be kept in your southeast.
In south? Okay.
East.
Southeast. Can it be in
Yeah.
the office also?
It can be, yes.
Okay.
It can
And
be.
what animal is for love?
So for love, I would say swans,
Okay.
right? So a pair of swans, a painting can also do.
Okay.
Pair of swans kept in southwest.
Right.
And अगर आप अपने relationship में loyalty चाहते हो, like nowadays I get this question very frequently, कि जो partner है वो loyal होना चाहिए. So I think love से भी ऊपर loyalty चली गई है आजकल,
बिल्कुल.
because everyone's asking for loyalty. So what you need to do is, पेयर है swans का, तो उनके neck में, दोनों के neck में red ribbon tie कर दो. So it brings loyalty to your relationship. I would say अगर husband wife में issue है, problem है या घर में किसी और के साथ भी issue है, keep your picture together in the southwest in a golden frame. एक और चीज, like I would also like to talk here something on the legal side.
Yes, a lot of people.
Yeah. So what happens, I had this client years back who had walked out of the house, out of business, nothing to do, and he had to create everything on his own. He was fighting a case with the brother who took over everything and all that. So for that, you need to strengthen your west. Right?
And how can we do that?
That's by the alignment of the energy and the space and everything there, the colors and everything there. क्योंकि आपके गेन्स की वही एक जगह है,
West.
राइट? और आपको सपोर्ट चाहिए होती है, लीगल केस में आपको गवर्नमेंट सपोर्ट चाहिए होती है. तो नॉर्थ वेस्ट में व्हाट यू नीड टू कीप इज 2 horses.
Okay.
2 घोड़े इकट्ठे नॉर्थ वेस्ट में आप रख दो. You start getting the
Again, a
support.
statue sort of.
Statues. That's
Okay.
right.
Right.
And keep the file in the west,
Okay.
the case file.
Yes.
And of course जिससे भी आपका केस चल रहा है उसके साथ एक, क्योंकि देखो होते हैं आपके ब्लड रिलेशंस ही हैं
Yes.
मोस्टली व्हेन यू फाइट ऑन प्रॉपर्टी
Yeah,
इन
yeah,
योर
yeah.
ओन फैमिली एंड एवरीथिंग, देन ऑफ कोर्स साउथ वेस्ट में फोटो रख दो. तो ये मैंने किसी का करा था. They of course won the case, got things done.
Nice.
This was also there.
That is so beautiful. And with this, I want to say thank you. Thank you for sharing such beautiful insights. I'm sure our viewers enjoyed listening it and they have so much to take back. And definitely, if we have more questions, if people want to get in touch with you, so I'll link your profile in the bio and you can continue to spread the light from there.
Thank you so much for having me here. And
My
I
pleasure.
loved sharing.
So that, my friends, brings us to the end of today's episode on Vastu Shastra with Madhu Tangri on The Quantum Show. Tell us what you thought about this episode in the comments below. Like, share and subscribe for more. And don't forget to comment about what you want us to come up with next.